Okay, everybody, this is video number 2 of the new school year. One of the other important skills I want to introduce you as quickly as possible is a distributed property. Something you really should already know very well, but we're going to practice a lot the whole year, so you have no choice. You better master distributed property. Okay? So, take a look at these 2 problems I gave you on the worksheet, and these are the 2 common forms of distributed property you will use over and over again. Okay? So, follow the red here. The key thing to understand is that 6 is timesing the parentheses. So logically, anything inside that parentheses must be multiplied by the 6. So, I'm going to do 6 times 2x, you see? And 6 times 2x is 12x. Then, I'm just going to do 6 times 8. And 6 times 8 is 48. And so this right here is my simplified expression where I use distributed property. Now, let's look at number 15. Here's a second form of distributed property you will see a lot. So notice, for example, the 7n here. Okay? I'll use gold instead. There we go. That stands out a little bit better. So that 7n, notice, is in this parentheses, right? And this parentheses is timesing this parentheses. So the logic is everything in here is going to multiply everything over here. Okay? And we're just going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to take 7n times 7n. And that, of course, is 49n squared. We're going to do 7n times 6. And we're going to get 42n. I'm going to try red again here, or purple. Now notice, I distributed this 7n, right? But is there something else that we need to distribute? Notice the 5 right here. We need to do the same thing. This 5 is going to times 7n and give us 35n. And the 5 finally is going to times 6 and give me 30. Okay? And so notice how everything in the first parentheses times everything in the second parentheses. And so it's just a matter of combining like terms. So follow the black here now. I have 49n squared. And notice I have a 42n here and a 35n there. Both of them are n, so I put them together and get 77n. And then finally, there is a 30. So 49n squared plus 77n plus 30 is my final answer. Okay? Pause the video if you need to, please. Now, how about you pause the video and try these 2 problems quickly if you haven't done so already. So I'm assuming you paused, you tried them out. Now guys, if you don't mind, I want to go a little bit faster here. So I'm basically going to take 2b times 4b. You should have gotten 8b squared. And 2b times 8, 16b. Done. Next one. Did you do 5v times 6v and get 30v squared? And 5v times 1 and get 5v. Again, I hope you noticed there was a negative 1 that we need to distribute. Negative 1 times 6v is negative 6v. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. And now it's just a matter of combining like terms. So I have 30v squared. 5 minus 6 are both v, so that's negative 1v. Again, you could write the 1 or you don't have to. And then finally a minus 1. So hopefully, guys, you get distributed property done very well. I'll see you in class very soon.